Hey everyone, today I will walk you through Lean and Agile portfolio planning and work management in Businessmap. To quickly set the context, in Businessmap you can use canvas boards for planning and workflow boards for managing processes. Starting from a canvas board, we can visualize different planning scenarios here, such as small room and big room planning. In this example, we have some templates for top-level initiatives that are currently in flight, new opportunities for strategic themes, portfolio and department or area objectives, PI planning scenarios, templates for risks, assumptions, issues, dependencies logs, and so on. Keep in mind that the canvas is flexible enough to accommodate other planning scenarios such as Hoshin Cannery and anything else that suits your use case. Now, going back to the main dashboard, we've got two workspaces. A management workspace, which connects multiple boards together, and a team workspace where different teams track their work. In this example, we have a Kanban team, a Scrum team, and even a PMO team. Let's see how work connects across the organization from the corporate strategy board. On the top, we've built a space to visualize our strategic goals. They're in the form of initiatives, and every goal has measurable key results. For example, if we want to dominate the North American market, we may want to increase the number of our customers. And if I click on the circle here, we can see how we are progressing toward this goal. In this case, every goal is broken down into top-level objectives, which we visualized on a timeline. As you can see, they can have their own key results too. And then, those top-level objectives are further broken down into a lean portfolio management workflow, where the process moves from an MVP to a development stage until we complete a big project or an initiative in our company. To track the actual work across teams, under linked workflows, we can see what our Kanban team is doing. Perhaps the epics or features that our Scrum team is working on, and even in a Gantt chart view, the projects that our more traditional teams are planning. With a single click, let's go into a Scrum team. Here we visualize the initiatives and epics as a workflow on the top. The sprints are right below them in a timeline view, and we have a delivery workflow where we've built our sprint backlog. We prioritize stories for our next sprint, and they move through a specific process in the in-progress stage. Keep in mind that on this team board and the main management board, everything is configurable from edit workflows. We can move around the workflows that we've created, as well as easily add new ones to the board. But now, what about reporting? Well, in each dashboard, we can build these executive reports where Businessmap gives you information about the most important strategic goals, objectives, initiatives, or projects across teams. We have status indicators for our goals, allowing us to understand what's currently at risk, what's on track, and so on. We can also monitor the work progress indicators, which signal how well we're progressing with all the linked work to our main projects and objectives. Essentially, this helps us determine if the work we're executing actually drives results. Now, before we end this tutorial, keep in mind that this is just one example out of many for Lean and Agile portfolio management in Businessmap. We work with companies from different industries, and each one of them has a unique use case. That's why, if you're looking to better manage and plan your projects, we invite you to contact our consultants and book your personalized demo session.